Abdicate. To abdicate means to give up a position of power or responsibility, like when a king or queen decides to stop ruling. The king decided to abdicate the throne. She abdicated her role as class leader. The queen chose to abdicate the throne so her daughter could become the next ruler. He had to abdicate his position as team captain because he moved to another school. Resign, to step down from a job or role. Quit, to leave a position or stop doing something. Step down, to give up a leadership role. Other similar words: give up, surrender, relinquish. Accept, to take on a role or job. Claim, to say something belongs to you. Take over, to begin doing a job or role. Other opposite words: keep, continue, hold on.